Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. I know I certainly am because I've uncovered an absolute hidden gem. So I don't know how I found this. It was pretty crazy, but I'm sure you're going to absolutely love it. So here we are on the Flare official website, and I was sort of messing about with the URLs. We have the initial first Flare improvement protocols, and that was the previous website. And I just decided to try and put a 2 there and see what would happen. And I have uncovered this document. I'm not even sure if I should be releasing this information, but you know what? We're going to do it for the community. So looking at the title here, it's very small. And I imagine this is because, you know, maybe this is not supposed to be released just yet. Maybe they're still formatting it. I'm not sure. But if we give this a quick read, Flare Improvement Protocol 02, or sorry, Flare Improvement Proposal 02, and this is to do with Flare Boosted Distribution Enhancement. So very attractive, and I'm going to read it the best I can. Try and follow along if you want to. So this proposal is issued by the Flare Foundation, and if passed, consists of a set of changes that will dramatically increase rewards for early participants in the Flare ecosystem. So I'm struggling to read this a little bit. Today marks a very special day for those in the Flare community. Those due to receive FLR to self-custody wallets will have a unique advantage in the form of boosted rewards. The exact percentage increase will be unknown, but should be somewhere in the region of, I can't work that out. Can you guys see what that says? I'm so sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I'm kind of sorry, but I'm not. Happy Halloween, guys. I really couldn't resist. Apologies. If you are terrified, please catch your breath. And yeah, I did this as a bit of fun. But please, if you want to get someone else, don't ruin the surprise. Share the link with someone and see if you can get them as well. So again, apologies. Go change your pants and collect yourself. You know, happy Halloween, all of that good stuff. I'm wishing everyone the best of celebrations. And yeah, until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.